What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, but today I'm gonna show you how to install this half windshield on my 2020 RZR. So let's get into it. So in the box, it comes with the windshield, these things, I guess, to hold it, and this weather stripping. That's it. So I'm assuming we put this weather stripping first. So I'm gonna do that right now. Super easy install. You don't need nobody else, just you and your hands. That's it. Let's check it out, see how it looks. Alright, so this is how it looks on the inside. This is how it looks on the outside. So there it is, the half windshield by Rough Country. Not bad for $100. I got it off of Amazon. So let me know what you think down in the comments, and we're about to go rip it real quick.